Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can adjust the permission for apps of your camera on the Windows 11. So what first you have to simply open the settings right here, and then when you are here you have to just go for the Bluetooth and devices on the left side, and right now we have to go for the cameras. Go for the camera privacy settings. And as you can see in this place, you will be able to check which app has access to your camera. So if you want to block any of this app, like for example, I would like to get rid of feedback hub, just click on the switcher. And that's how you can adjust it. As you can see, that's simple as that. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.